Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to talk to you about Injective Protocol. Now, Injective Protocol is a very interesting project, and in this video, we're going to be going through it from a fundamental perspective, a technical analysis perspective, really diving into the chart and seeing where this asset could be going in the future and how much money we could be making simply buying it, trading it, and basically watching this thing run up in this lovely super cycle. If you love crypto, if you love Injective, slap a little like on the video. It does help us out tremendously. And also, guys, don't hesitate to air your opinion in the comment section. I really want to know what you think. One of these videos, two of this channel, and three, if you've ever traded Injective and if you think my price prediction at the end of this video is correct or not. So let's start off with Injective. What is Injective? Now, Injective is a layer one here, kind of a newer layer one in this space in comparison to other assets that have been around for multiple cycles here. It's been around for two sort of very aggressive bull markets here. But you can see in the last sort of bull market didn't really do that much here, hovering at a $500–600 million market cap. But in this run so far, it has really established itself, especially at the start of last year. We did see all-time highs, and at this point in time, it is seriously underpriced. Now, back to what it is from a fundamental perspective here. Injective is essentially the layer one blockchain that specializes in finance applications. Okay, we're talking DeFi, real world assets, AI, decentralized exchanges, which is DEXs, prediction markets, which is like betting, like stake, and lending protocols. Okay, so this is facilitating people to build on a layer one that's specifically built for finance, which again is a super unique thing in the space. So as a layer one blockchain here that does specialize in finance, and it's obviously a very powerful chain, which we have seen multiple projects here on this chain. You can see here on-chain transactions, block time, average transaction cost super low as well here. It's very fast. Okay, it's super fast, and it's a very reliable chain. Okay, we actually haven't seen any problems with this chain as of yet, and the fact that it's in finance and people are actually building on this thing, it shows exactly why it's doing very well. Okay, the future starts here. Obviously, Binance Jump, Google, Galaxy, Dutch, loads of good stuff is happening with this layer one. So it's definitely not a layer one that should be slipping under your radar. If anything, it should be on your radar. Okay, now let's get into an update, and then we're going to get into the chart. So the last day, it's up 5.45% here with a lovely uptrend here in the last day. Bit of consolidation on the end with a little bit of a little, what's it called? It's like a grid scenario, like a grid bot, basically. If you're grid botting this, it's perfect. It's a range, that's what it's called. It's called a goddamn range. I don't know what happened there. Now, the last 7 days, you can see again, lovely move to the upside, lovely pullback, lovely move to the upside, breaking highs, still an uptrend, looking pretty good. Ranging between here, that's the word, ranging between a $1.19 billion market cap and a $1.5 billion market cap. So quite a strong range here. In the last 7 days, up 20%. The last month, up 51% there. Really nice trend overall. Market cap currently $1.48 billion here. How high can this thing go, and how can we make money trading it? Let's get into the chart. So you can see here, guys, just quickly, if you guys want to be trading Injective and you want a huge sign-up bonus, go to BingX. They're actually offering 20% on any investment that you put in. So if you put in, say, $1,000 to trade with, they will give you 20% in trading vouchers back. Okay, so you get $200 to trade with, and anything you make on that $200, you get to keep. You can literally deposit, claim the vouchers, and then withdraw if you really want to. Okay, so nice little hack there. Okay, so as you can see, Injective here, chart looking really good. As we did discuss, all-time high back at the start of last year here, $52. If we look at the price from right now, up to that $52 all-time high, you're actually looking at around a 255% gain. That's a 3.5x here on your investment, which again is still a lot of money. It's still very profitable. So right now is actually a very clean area to be getting in. We've just reclaimed the 200 EMA here on the weekly. Let's have a look on the daily and see where we're at there. Yep, just about testing it on the daily as well. We've tested it once already, saw that pullback. We're testing it, probably likely to form a nice bit of support here, and then we're likely to run up. You can see in previous price action, we have done this in this area and ran all the way up to $22, $24. Nice little pullback, and then run back up to set that massive lower high of this run. Now, more on the macro again, guys. If we're looking at this trend line, you can see this trend line basically from launch here up to here, which was a very, very strong point back in January 2023, coming down to this testing area, which we did see some crazy price action on before. We've actually reclaimed this now. If we're looking at sort of volatility trading here from this area, you can see it actually explodes to the upside here. So if we're looking at any sort of mirror image of this, it's likely that we do see us pop right back up to all-time highs from this area. I'm not saying it's going to be a smooth ride. I'm just saying that it's actually a really, really nice buying area to be getting into Injective right now for those gains, guys. Okay. Now, there will be a lovely long. There'll be a lovely, lovely trade here coming out of the gate here, worth around 38%. If you're looking for a futures trade, that's the trade that I'd be looking for there, breaking massive, massive levels of support here. If we do actually hold that. But yeah, sorry, breaking massive levels of resistance here. You can see big resistance from these areas. But yeah, it's very, very likely if we do cross this, get some candle body closes, it's very, very likely that we do soar straight back up to this level. And that's a $35, nice 38% there. Obviously, that's speculatively speaking right now. There's a lot of things to discuss about this asset, but there's definitely money to be made. And right now is a really clear opportunity for this asset, just overall. Okay, so for me personally, I'm accumulating Injective right now. I think it's a really, really safe opportunity. Being a layer one in finance is a very, very good project. Now let's get into a price prediction for this asset to see how high this thing could be going. Let's talk about market cap from where it actually currently hit. So currently hit at the all-time high market cap was a $4.86 billion valuation. 4.86. So let's say $5 billion, just to round it up to make it simpler for the maths here. And that was at a price of roughly $51. So we'll say $50 at a $5 billion valuation. That's a very, very simple math. So if we go for a $10 billion market cap valuation, you're looking at a $100 coin. Okay, a $100 coin. That's quite a lot. Okay, if you're looking at $15 billion market cap, which remember, guys, if we're looking just at general cryptos right now, if you look at the market caps of other layer ones like Solana, like Cardano, like Tron, like Sui, what's 15 billion? What's 15 billion compared to these guys? Like even Doge is at 33, right? So a $15 billion market cap valuation here would essentially be a 3x on this. So it'd be $150 a coin here, which is essentially a 10x from where it is now. Okay, so if we're going to be putting in a little price prediction here, it would be a 900% gain from where we currently are. 10x, $15 billion, guys. I think that's a very, very achievable level to be hitting in this run at $150 a coin. I think that is super, super achievable, and it does match up really, really nicely with this uptrend. Let me know what you think of that price prediction in the comment section of how high Injective could be going. Remember, guys, it's the layer one blockchain of finance, and they've got a really, really clean block explorer here, and yeah, they've got a lot of stuff going for them at the moment, so definitely go check them out. But yeah, that's going to be the price prediction. That's going to be the video. Let me know what you think of Injective here in the comment section, not the description. I'll leave the link to the BingX bonus here in the description of the video if you guys want to go claim those trading vouchers. But that is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.